Speaking of which, I hung out with a certain time recently. She's so nice. Yeah. It's Ouro Kronii. No. Unfortunately not the detective. But but I remember because I got to see her meow meow. And then it was an interesting experience because I woke up and there was a cat's butt in my face. I was like, huh. That's a way to start the day. Yeah. Time cat. And then I was about to get up and then Time cat just sat on me and I could not. It just sat on like near my face and I just could not get up. I was like, so this is what it feels like to live with a cat. Must be nice. It's good. I appreciated that, you know, Time cat liked me because cats usually just ignore me. It's like, it's not even they don't hate me or anything. They just treat me like air sometimes, you know?